This problem's a little bit different from the other problems that we've seen, but really it acts very, very similarly. And you can see how some of the concepts that we've been working on extend to problems that aren't rectangles. And we're really still continuing to look for relationships. So in this problem, where we have 266 people, we know we have men, women, and children. Next semester, you'll perhaps set up relationships where you have three different variables, M, W, and C, but that doesn't work for us right now. We just don't know how to solve those types of problems. So when I'm looking at what I'm going to assign my variables to be, I'm looking at this sentence here that says there are 4 times as many men as children and twice as many women as children. And what I see is that the number of men and the number of women are both written in terms of the number of children. So it makes sense to me that I'm going to define C to be equal to the number of children. And then I can use the relationship that there is between men and children and between women and children to define the number of men and women. So I'm told that there are 4 times as many men as children. Well, that means if there are C children, then there are 4C men. And twice as many women as children means that there are 2C women. Now I can go ahead and create my equation. And what I'm told is that I have 266 total people, which are all the men, women, and children. And so my equation in this case actually turns out to not be too bad. C, the number of children, plus 4C, the number of men, plus 2C, the number of women, needs to be equal to 266. Combine like terms, I get 7C equals 266. And then divide both sides by 7, and I get that C is equal to 38. From there, I can answer the question. There are 38 children. 4 times 38 is 152. And 2 times 38 is 76. So there are 38 children, 152 men, and 76 women. And I can check that pretty quickly. I just need to see that 38 plus 152 plus 76 hopefully is equal to 266. And if I plug that into a calculator, I end up 266 equals 266, and it checks.